wondered what it feels like to drive the future before it even arrives? Today, I'm going to reveal one detail about the 2027 BMW M9 that will blow your mind. And it's not what you expect. Stick around, because in just 2 minutes, I'll unravel the most exciting secret that makes this car more than just fast. It's a glimpse into the next era of driving. Engagement loop. I'll circle back to why this matters in just a moment. Imagine a car that blends mind-bending acceleration with whisper-quiet power. Yes, you heard that right. Under the hood of the 2027 BMW M9 lies a hybrid powertrain that delivers lightning torque with stealth. Expect 0-60 in under 3 seconds, yet it glides like a luxury saloon. That's where performance meets soul. Engagement loop, and later I'll compare it to something you love. Just keep watching. But what truly sets this beast apart is not just speed. This M9 is packed with smart tech that learns your habits. Your dash becomes personal. It reads your preferences, temperature, ride height, even your mood. Seriously. And when it senses traffic ahead, it adjusts your drive without you lifting a finger. Imagine gliding through your commute while your car fully understands your vibe. Here's a detail you might miss. The sound. It's not roar or pitch, it's sculpted emotion. The exhaust tone changes based on drive mode. Calm and elegant for city cruising, fierce and immersive on open roads. Every press of the pedal brings a mood shift. Not just power, but drama. Engagement loop. Later, I'll tell you a story how that tone saved me from boredom on a long highway drive. Have you seen the interior? It's a cockpit that feels alive. Soft, ambient lighting pulses to your heartbeat, screens shift based on context, and surfaces are open-pore wood or carbon fiber that you can literally feel. It's like your living room and a race track combined. Even the steering wheel whispers luxury when you touch it. And yes, all that detail is real. Engagement loop, that personal rhythm. I'll come back to how it made a midnight lane change feel like magic. Still with me, here's the biggest shocker. BMW says the M9 charges to 80% in under 15 minutes. That means your life stays fluid, not tied to cables. You stop, sip a coffee, and you're back with juice to roam again. Quick enough to keep you unshackled, because freedom is the ultimate fuel. Now, let's tie it all together. A car that slams from 0 to 30 in a heartbeat, yet listens, learns, and morphs to your mood. A cabin that reacts to your heartbeat. A charging pace that matches your pace in life. The 2027 BMW M9 isn't just a performance car. It's your perfect, evolving companion. Engagement loop. Remember that secret I teased at the start? That hybrid setup isn't just fast. It regenerates energy silently in everyday driving. That's your mind-blow moment. So if you're between 24 and 35, chasing experiences, craving power, but also value comfort and surprise, this car speaks your language. Imagine pulling up, doors gliding open, the ambient light greeting you, the engine whispering, "Let's go." It's not just a ride, it's an invitation. Want more juicy details on top speed, pricing, or when you'll actually see one on the road? Hit like, subscribe, and comment. What's the first highway you'd test this on? I'll meet you in the comments and drop more secrets when you ask.